Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Good afternoon. My name is Joel Miramontes with Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. I'm your appliance expert. And today I have with me the LG Signature front load washers and dryers, new for 2025. Now this is going to be LG's top model. This is the WM9900HSA. And taking a look at the front of it, you have an absolutely beautiful and minimalist design. You have a gorgeous 7-inch touchscreen display right on the top here with a ton of different cycles that you can scroll through. Now, one of the features I like to point out in here, and let me go ahead and scroll through it, is the AI Wash. So this is LG's new AI 2.0 system, which will automatically detect the fabric on the inside and adjust the cycle accordingly for you. Moving on to the front here, we do have a really large and beautiful tempered glass door in the front. As you can see, the drum is illuminated on the inside. Moving on to the inside of the machine, you have a 5.8 cubic foot capacity wash drum. It is absolutely massive. Also too, you do get LG's turbo wash system, so you have 5 ears that are around the entire baffle of the machine, which constantly spray water on all of your clothes so that it speeds up the cycle and also saturates it with enough water and detergent to get your clothes clean. As we move down below on the machine, we're going to notice we have an opening flap on the bottom, which will reveal an automatic soap dispensing cartridge. Now in this cartridge here, you can fill it up with regular detergent and softener or a specialty detergent if you have it. You'll put it right inside and the machine will figure out how much detergent you are going to need per cycle, and that's good for up to 36 loads. Moving even lower on the machine, it is sitting on top of LG's Sidekick laundry pedestal. You do have a hidden control panel right on the front, so if we turn it on, we see we have a ton of different cycles. Push to open the glass lid right on the top and it reveals a 1 cubic foot capacity washing machine that's good for your very small loads or really delicate items. For example, like if you have underwear or if you have active wear that you'd like to get washed and you don't need to use the entire machine. It does close right up and it does slide completely underneath the machine out of the way. Now moving over to the dryer over here, lots of really innovative features. Everything that will fit in the washer will fit in the dryer. You do have a stainless steel interior that helps with removing static electricity off of your clothes, and very large baffles on the inside to really get all of the clothes tumbled around and dried quickly for you. This machine is also sitting on top of its own pedestal as well, and one really cool feature on this machine is it does have a removable laundry hamper, so you can take this out and use it as a regular laundry hamper if you want to, and then go ahead and drop it back inside to the pedestal for easy storage. This machine is also equipped with a steam function and an allergen function, so if you want to continue the follow-up on the sanitized cycle in the washing machine or in the allergen cycle, the dryer will be able to help do that for you right over here. So this is the latest and greatest from LG, and I really hope you like some of the features that they have to offer. Come stop by and see me here at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom at 321 West 84th Avenue. Either myself or any one of my staff will be happy to help you, or you can also reach out to me at our online sales department at 720-772-3434. Thank you so much, and we'll see you very soon.